Hello everyone, I am Jamuna Biswa, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mining and Geology from Oer University, Rajasthan. I am going to speak on behalf of my OER team members on the topic bioremediation, and the target audience will be basic science students of graduation as well as post-graduation students. The contents of my presentation will be focusing on definition, concept, types of bioremediation, bioremediation mechanism, advantages and disadvantages, overview and applications. Bioremediation is the process whereby organic waste are degraded biologically under controlled conditions. It basically uses the naturally occurring organisms like bacteria and fungi to detoxify the substances which are hazardous to human health as well as environment. The basic concept which lies behind bioremediation is the use of microorganisms to immobilize the waste materials, and the microorganisms include bacteria, which can be aerobic as well as anaerobic, fungi, and actinomycetes. The types of bioremediation include microbial bioremediation, uses microorganisms to break down the contaminants by using them as a food source. Phytoremediation uses plants to bind, extract, and clean up the pollutants such as pesticides, petroleum hydrocarbons, metals, and chlorinated solvents. Mycoremediation uses fungi's digestive enzymes to break down the contaminants such as pesticides, hydrocarbons, and heavy metals. Bioremediation mechanisms. Microorganisms destroy by secreting their own enzymes, which is produced during their own metabolic activity. Here, the use of oxygen and nutrient to the contaminated site in the form of aqueous solution in which the bacteria grow and help to degrade the organic matter. Advantages of bioremediation is that the cost of one of the bioremediation, that is the phytoremediation, is lower than that of the traditional process, both in situ as well as ex situ. It can be employed in areas which are inaccessible without excavation, like underwater microorganisms. And most importantly, it is potentially the least harmful method because it uses naturally occurring organisms and preserves the environment in a more natural state. It has some disadvantages as well. The bioremediation process involves some hazardous chemical waste which contain high waste concentration as well as having high toxicity. This toxicity inhibits the growth of microorganisms and sometimes may even result in the death of these microorganisms. Overview and applications. Bioremediation and phytoremediation have been used for centuries, and this technology of using microorganisms as one of the organisms for degrading the toxicity was reputedly invented by George M. Robinson. Naturally occurring bioremediation in the mode of natural attenuation or intrinsic bioremediation. Bioremediation through the addition of fertilizers to increase the bioavailability within the medium. And it also acts as a medium to enhance the resident microbe population's ability to break down the contaminants. Thank you.